Today in HTML5 we are going to talk about video handling, and in a web page, HTML web page, how we are going to work out with videos. This is a HTML program which we are going to build and see. So this is the path and this is the name. We have hard coded it. We have not given it for the user to choose, just because our intention and our consideration will be on playing the videos. So let me load it for you.
Inputs हैं यहाँ पर आपको
This is a video, and this is play, this is volume, this is fast forward, this is stop and rewind. Everything is there. So we'll look at all these functionalities which actually we have written on these buttons. We can add more videos, and we can make a list out of videos. So I'm just muting myself and loading all these. You can hear it.
inputs हैं यहाँ पर आपको inputs हैं
You can pause them at once. You can increase the volume, you can decrease the volume, you can play them at once, you can rewind and fast forward all of them one. Basically I wanted to make it just for one video, but since many pages may have this requirement that we want more than one videos to be played, this is how I have taken it. So let's reload it and go to the code, and I'll explain the code. This is the path of the HTML video, and this is the video which we are playing, and this is the image which comes when we load the video. Okay, let me show it first. This is the image, and let me execute it again.
inputs हैं
Did you notice the image?
inputs हैं यहाँ पर आपको
Okay, notice the image again.
inputs
This
हैं यहाँ पर आप
this was the image. So these are the functionalities, and we are going to talk about those functions in this HTML script. So let's get started. This is a HTML file. HTML language is equal to English. You can just you can have it or you can avoid it. If you want, you can have it. There are two parts: head and head. This is the end of the head and the body part. So let's start with the body part, because we are going to design it first. This is the H1 heading. This is the H1 heading. This is the video path which is there. This is the label video path, and the ID is video directory. This is the video directory, and again a label calling video name, and the ID is video name, and the value here is HTML videos. The value here is testmovie.mp4. We can give it as input for the user also. We can allow him to have a button and we can select it, but rather we are relying upon, and we are actually talking about the video, so we are more considerate about it. This is the load. This is the load button. This is the function, load function, play function, pause, restart, quiet, louder, reminder, and fast forward. All these things, and the list which we are making. We are just not dealing with one video. We are dealing with number of videos which the user start loading. So there has to be a list also. So let's start with this doLoad function, what it does. And there is a little bit of styling also we have added up. This is the body, label, button, video, and list, unordered list or ordered list. So you see the pink color and the orange, and the font, all is being given here, but we will talk about the function, this load function. This is a JavaScript we have written. First of all, doLoad function, what it does, it gets the element ID, video dir, video name, and video list. What is this? Video directory is the video path, video name is the video name, and the video list is the list which is coming, number of videos. So all these variables have been formed. So we are creating an element called video. Before that we have made a global variable, because this is going to be used in different functions. For that we need to keep it as a global variable. Okay, so we are creating an element called video. We are giving a path, we are giving certain, see, these are the defaults. We want it to loop, we want it to autoplay, we want the controls also, we want the poster, means the loading.png, which I just showed, and this is for the listing. As the list are being made, a new child video is made, and the child is appended and it is pushed to the stack. And this is the console writing. We are not much concerned about it. And this play function, what it does, you know, the basic line is this: videos.play, videos.pause, videos.playback, and all these things. But the basic thing is this only. Since we are dealing with number of videos, the user may add many videos, as I just showed you. So we need to have a for loop for that. If we have just one video, we are good with this only, this line. So video.play, number of videos, video.play. Pause, videos.pause, number of videos, you can have a for loop. Console writing is also there. Restarting means going back to the first position. So current time is 0, playback rate is default 1, and volume is 1. If you want to fast forward it, just playback rate is increased to thrice. If we want to rewind it, just the playback rate will be -3. If we want a louder volume, we just add the volume to 0.25 or any value you want. And if you want it quieter, then just reduce the time or the value to the volume. Okay, so this is how our program has been formulated. This is the script which is being called when we run all these things. Okay, these are the functions, and all these functions are being made here for not for one video, for more video. Now, as you have been explained all these things, let me work it out again. I'll just reduce the volume and I'll play it. See, number of these, I can pause it, I can rewind it, I can increase the volume, decrease the volume, rewind, and once I play it, I can rewind it and fast forward also. Hope you understood how you can handle videos in your HTML5. Thank you so much. Take care.